In this video, we are going to make a review and we can say amplify the list of quantifiers that we have. Remember that they say the number of amount of something, right? So we're going to see what are the ones we know and what are the new ones. Let's begin with all, every, and most. Here we have a chart that summarizes the use of these three words according to how specific they are. All, for example, is followed by a plural or uncountable noun. All cats are awake at night. So we are generalizing all cats. But if we want to be specific and talk about the cats in a place, so we're going to use it followed by a plural or uncountable noun as well. All of the cats in the pet shop are white. So we are specifically speaking about the cats in the pet shop. Everything or everybody both are followed by singular verbs. Everything is okay or everybody's here, and they are general. We have then most is followed by a plural noun, and we can say most animals live inland. It's like when we report something our partner said. Most of my partners said this or that. So I'm talking in general. But if we say most of followed by a plural noun or object pronoun, we are being more specific. Most of the animals in the zoo are birds. So I am specifically speaking about the animals in the zoo. Now let's see no, none, and any. We are going to see some examples of their usage. No is in the middle of the verb and a noun. There are no apples in the fridge. And it has negative meaning, right? Nothing. Then we have none, normally used at the end of a sentence, but it's possible also to find it in another place. They're after a verb, and it's very common in short answers. There are none. So, how many apples do we have in the fridge? No, none, or there are none, right? And we understand. None of. It is followed by a pronoun or a noun. None of us could go. Any. It is also in the middle of a verb and a noun. There is any glue. Anyone or anybody, little bit more general, are followed by a verb. Anyone came yesterday. So all of them have like kind of negative idea, even though any, and it is going to give us, in most of the cases, a group of nothing, right? A zero, a quantity group. Finally, we have both, either, and neither. Both can be the subject of a clause, can go before a main verb or after be. Both Carl and Louis are economists. In this case, it is the subject. Either and then or. So we have either plus a noun plus or. Either newspaper or magazines are good means of communication. So in this case, we are using two things with either, right? So it can be one or the other. Neither and nor. Neither plus noun plus nor. Neither Mike nor Lucy work hard in this case. So it is kind of negative as well, right? Neither. Neither of plus a pronoun. Neither of us understood what happened, so no one understood. This is what it says, right? So this is the way in which we can use both either and neither. With this and the rest of the examples we saw today, it's time to practice with some exercises in order to get the usage of quantifiers a little bit better.